Just got a Canon PIXMA MG2522? Let's get it set up and ready to print in just a few easy steps. First, unbox your printer and carefully remove all protective tape, plastic, and packing materials from the device. Next, connect the power cord to the printer and plug it into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn it on. Open the cartridge access door. Install the black and color ink cartridges that came with your printer. Make sure each cartridge clicks into place. Load plain paper into the rear tray. Adjust the paper guides so the sheets fit securely. Visit Canon's setup page, download the latest MG2522 driver, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete installation. That's it! Your Canon PIXMA MG2522 is now ready to print. Don't forget to run a test print.